Und der Josef Gens! Oi, Tobias!
Oh, hello and welcome to our ice experience, Lake Lapland. Yeah, I want to show you a little bit what we are doing here on Lake Lapland. Come up. Hey, come closer, I will show you the spikes. That's the reason why we have grip on the ice. It's around 400 of these spikes each tire. That means around 2000 spikes on one car, and you have a lot of grip to brake, steering and move forward. So in the first day we have some basic, just let's say a slalom, a circle, a cross. So we train the basics on snow and ice and get a feeling of a car, how it brakes, how is the steering, and so on and so on. On the next day, we level up the tracks. We have 35 kilometers, some GP tracks. We have the Nürburgring, we have Spa-Francorchamps, we have Monaco in the ice. So we drive with this fleet of Porsche in different tracks the whole day until it's dark.
Guys are doing great, wonderful, wonderful conditions, blue sky, everything is perfect.
When the night is coming, we are going to a night race, let's say. We have our night VP, we go on lap time in the dark, and that's very special to go without any lights, just some flashlights to show you the corners, and then we go like a little race in the dark with this Porsche fleet.
Oh, it's shit weather, sorry. It's unbelievable.
On the last day we have some special stage. Some of you make a good decision to book the GT3 RS. Yeah, that's our, let's say, our rocket. It's the first time you bring it up here to Lake Lapland, and yeah, it's a special spec, let's say, but it's very, very cool to drive and make a lot of fun.